Hello students, welcome to Young Cups. Today we are going to do a few word problems from the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable. Our first word problem says the sum of three consecutive multiples of 7 is 777. Find the three numbers. So consecutive means back to back. Okay, so let our numbers be, let me take the first number as x. My second number will be x plus 7 because it is a multiple of 7. And my third number will be x plus 14. Okay, so these are the numbers basically that will come in 7's table because we are talking about multiples of 7. So just imagine. So if the first number is 7, the second number will be 14, the third number will be 21. So aren't they consecutive numbers in 7's table, children? Understanding? This is what consecutive numbers mean, and specifically in multiples of 7 over here. Okay, now they are saying the sum. The word sum means to add. So x plus 7 plus x plus 14 is how much? 777. 1x, 2x, 3x. So 3x plus 7 plus 14 is 21 is equal to 777. Correct? So 3x is equal to 777. 777 minus 21. Okay, so 3x is equal to 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 2, 5 and 7. So 756, x is equal to 756 upon 3. Hidden multiplication sign out here. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 remainder, 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 again. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 252. So I've got my first number out here. My second number is x plus 7. So x is 252 plus 7, which is 259. That's my second number. Okay, and my third number is 252 plus 14. Thus, rather x plus 14. Let me just write it properly. So my third number, I'll write it here. So my third number is x plus 14, which is equal to 252 plus 14 and 2 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 1, 7, 276. No, it's not 2. 5 plus 1 is 6. Sorry. Okay, and my third number is 266. So what is your statement going to be? The three consecutive multiples of 7 are 252, 259 and 266. That's my answer. It's a word problem, so a statement is mandatory. Our second sum says if three consecutive multiples of 11, okay, three consecutive multiples of 11 means let the numbers be x. The next multiple of 11 will be x plus 11. And the next multiple of 11 will be x plus 22. 11 plus 11, what is multiplication? It is repeated addition, correct? So if I repeatedly add 11, so 11 plus 11 plus 11, that's repeated multiplication, correct, children? So that's how I get my 3 consecutive multiples of 11. As I am proceeding with the sum, children, I am simultaneously understanding it by writing my stuff down. So learn to break your sum down when you are reading it. So now, if 3 consecutive multiples of 11 are multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively. Respectively means in order. So I'm going to multiply this number by 2. So 2x. Then I'm going to multiply my second number by 3. Second number respectively, right? 3. I'm going to multiply by the whole number. And then I have to multiply the last number by 4. And then add. That means I have to add them up. Correct? And the sum is, that means that's the answer after adding is 814. So now, find each of the multiples. So 2x plus 3 into x makes it 3x, plus 3 into 11 makes it 33. Correct? Plus 4 into x makes it 4x, plus 4 into 22 makes it 88 is equal to 814. Simple, understandable till here? 2x plus 3x plus 4x. So 2x plus 3x makes it 5x, 5x plus 4x makes it 9x, plus 33 plus 88. 3 plus 8, 11. 3 plus 8, 11 plus 1, 12. So 121 is equal to 814. Take 121 on the other side. Change the sides. 9 goes, so once the sides are changed, the sign also changes. So 814 minus 121 is 693. X is equal to 693 upon 9. X is equal to 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63. Again a 6 times 7s are 63. So the value of x is 7. So value of x is 77. Okay, what's the value of the second number? That's my second number, correct? So what's the value of x plus 11? That means 77 plus 11, which is 88. So that's my first value. That's my second value. And what's my third number? X plus 22. So x plus 22 is equal to 77 plus 22 makes it 99. So what's my answer going to be in a statement form? The 3 multiples of 11 are 77, 88 and 99. So are they consecutive multiples of 11? Yes. Let's move to the next sum. We divide rupees 300 into 2 parts such that half of the first and 1/3 of the second are equal. So we are going to divide 300 in such a way where such that in two parts such that half of the first. So let the division, let the first number after division be x. Therefore, the second number is equal to 300 minus x, children. Obviously, yes. So now it says two parts such that half of the first. So half of the first is equal to 1/3 of the second. This is my second. So 1/3 of the second. Alright. Yes, children. So that's my equation. Find the two parts. So can I write this as 1 into x makes it x upon 2, correct? Now this has to be multiplied by this as well as this. So this will be 300 upon 3 minus x upon 3. Let me reduce this number. 3 ones are 3. 300. Hundreds are 300. So x upon 2 is equal to 100 minus x upon 3. Alright. Now let me bring all the x on the left hand side. So x upon 2 minus x upon 3 becomes plus x upon 3, which is equal to 100. So both are prime numbers. You simply multiply them. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Cross multiply. 2 into how much is equal to 6? 3. So this x will be multiplied by 3. 3 into how much is 6? 2. So this also gets multiplied by 2. So this becomes 2x is equal to 100. Yes, children. So 5x is equal to 6 into 100 becomes 600. X is equal to 600 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60 and 0. So my first number, which was x, so x is equal to 120. What is the other one? 300 minus x, which is 300 minus 120. So my second number is 180. Working is important, children. Statement is important. So I'll write the statement here. The two parts are 120 and 180. Done. Understood? When 8 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number, 5 times a certain number. So let the number be x. Therefore, 5 times is equal to 5x, and then you have to 8 is subtracted from it. So 5x minus 8. Yes. Now the result. Okay, so when 8 is subtracted from 5 times a certain number, the result is. So result is 4 more. 4 more means plus 4 more than 4 times the number. So the same number 4 times. Alright, understanding, children? Therefore, now find the number. So what happens is 5x minus 8 is equal to 4x plus 1. That's the result of this number. Correct? So now all the x on the LHS, so 4x goes to the other side becomes minus 4x, 4 which is already on the RHS, and 8 minus 8 goes on the other side, becomes plus 8. X is equal to 12. So what's the number, children? 12. Alright. Therefore, the number is 12. Very easy. The difference between two positive integers. The word difference means subtraction, correct? So there are two positive integers. Let one integer be x and the second one be y. Alright, so the difference between these two integers, that means x minus y, difference means minus, is how much? 75. And they say that the ratio of these integers, what are my integers? X is to y, ratio is how much? 7 is to 4. So x upon y is equal to 7 upon 4, correct? So let's express x in terms of y. So I'm going to take y on the other side. So x is equal to 7y upon 4. So wherever there is x, I'm going to write 7y upon 4. So now I have x over here. So instead of x, I'm going to write 7y upon 4 minus y is equal to 75. Understood, children? Now, 7y. So one number has a denominator, the other doesn't. So the denominator of the fraction will go and multiply with the other number which does not have a denominator. So 4y whole thing upon 4 is equal to 75. We do this only because we need a common denominator. So 7y minus 4y makes it 3y is equal to 4 goes and multiplies with 75. It becomes how much? 300. Okay, 4 into 75 is 300. Y is equal to 300 upon 3. 3 ones are 3. So I have got my second number, which is 100. Okay, yes. So y is equal to, I'll write it here, y is equal to 100. Now how will I find out x? By taking this, okay, this equation. So x minus y is equal to 75. X minus y is how much? 100. We just found out. X is equal to 75. 100 goes on the other side and becomes plus 100. X is equal to 175. Now let's check, children, whether they both are in ratio. So that's my x, that's my y. So I'll write x once again over here. So x is to y. What is the ratio? 7 is to 4. So let's check. 175 is to 100, which is nothing but 175 upon 100. Correct? Both of them go by 25's table. 25 4s are 100 and 25 7s are 175. Yes, they are in the ratio 7 is to 4. Therefore, thus the two positive integers are 175 and 100. Yes, children, very simple. This is the last sum for the day, children. Okay, 3 numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. If the sum of the largest and the smallest number exceed Okay, so this is my ratio. So remember children, ratios will always be expressed in the simplest form, in the reduced form. Okay, so let x be the number. Okay, so it's going to be 3x is to 4x is to 5x. Okay, now if the sum of the largest, obviously this is the largest, so if the sum means addition, sum of largest and the smallest, which is 3x, exceeds the third number. What's my third number? Now left with this one, so this becomes my third number, by 64. Okay, children? Find the numbers. Our equation is right here. 5x plus 3x is 8x is equal to 4x plus 64. 4x changes sides, becomes minus 4x is equal to 64. 4x is equal to 64. Value of x 64 upon 4. 4 1s are 4 16s are. So my first number, so I can write let the first number, no, it can't be the first number, so you'll have to go about it that way. Okay, so my first number is 3x, so that means I'm going to multiply 3 into value of x, which is 16, correct? We just got it here, is equal to 48, correct? My second number is 4x, that means 4 into 16, which is 64. Yes, and my third number, which is 5x, this one, okay, which is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 16, which is 18. Alright, so what's the statement? Find the numbers. The numbers are 48, 64 and 80. That's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.